Aluminum wire is not suitable for air conditioners, furnaces, or ranges. The National Electrical Code addresses conductor materials in several sections. NEC Section 210.19 A5 states that conductors must be copper or another material designated for the purpose. NEC Section 210.5 A1 covers branch circuits, feeders, and service conductors and their installation in or on public or private buildings or other structures or portions thereof, except mobile homes and recreational vehicles. NEC Section 210.24 addresses conductor material specifying that conductors must be copper, aluminum, copper-clad aluminum, or aluminum-clad copper. There is an exception. Exception number 3 allows for conductors used in type UF cable covered in 333.10 A4. Type UF cable is a non-metallic underground feeder cable, and the exception permits the use of aluminum conductors within it. However, this exception does not apply to air conditioners, furnaces, or ranges. Aluminum wire has lower conductivity and tensile strength than copper wire, making it unsuitable for high current applications such as air conditioners, furnaces, or ranges. The higher resistance of aluminum wire can lead to overheating and an increased risk of fire. Additionally, the weaker tensile strength of aluminum wire makes it more susceptible to damage and could create a safety hazard. For air conditioners, furnaces, and ranges, copper wire is the preferred conductor material due to its superior conductivity and strength. Other acceptable materials include copper-clad aluminum, aluminum-clad copper, silver-plated copper, and gold-plated copper.